Today is your first day that you have to research your animal that you chose on Friday to do your animal report. Now, the animal that you chose to learn about on Friday is the one that you are going to be researching, and you're actually going to conduct your very own research. That means that you're going to use the internet or maybe books that you have or anything that you can use to learn about this animal all on your own. And what I'm going to do, and probably what you will do as well, and please get some help from a parent while doing this, or maybe an older sibling or grandparent that can help you. Type in google.com. You're going to type in google.com and then come down here to the search bar right here, and you can type in the name of your animal. Now, for today, to give you an example, I'm going to use an octopus as my animal. And today we are researching your animal's habitat. A habitat is the home that your animal lives in. So I'm going to do a Google search for octopus habitat. Click enter. And usually Google will have something come up right here that kind of just gives you an answer. So it says habitat. Octopuses live in oceans all over the world. So that's my animal's habitat, is the ocean. Most are pelagic, meaning they live near the water's surface in shells, reefs, or crevices. Some species live on the floor of the ocean, making their homes out of caves. Okay, so that sounds like a pretty good answer. I kind of already found out where my animal lives. Now you can also scroll down and click on either the things that you want to read. So, for example, I could click on this one. Will take me to a website all about octopus facts and information. And I could scroll down and read about my animal. And here it shows me that I'm going to read about their habitat. I can also click on some of the videos that show up for my animal. And again, while you're doing this, since you're using the internet, you're going to need help from a parent, okay, so that they can help you know where to go that will be the best. So you're going to find those answers all by yourself. And here are the questions. Which part of the world can I find this animal? Write 3 sentences to describe this animal's habitat. Please use complete sentences and write 3 good long sentences about your animal's habitat. What needs to be found in your animal's habitat in order for it to survive? So that would include what kind of food it needs, what kind of temperature it needs to survive, what needs to be in that habitat that will help your animal to survive. And then, how has this animal adapted in order to survive? What is special about your animal that makes it able to survive in the environment it lives in? For example, fish have gills to breathe underwater in their ocean environment. So every animal has adapted. That means they have changed something about themselves so that they can survive in their environment. For example, fish, they have gills so that they can breathe underwater because that's where they live. And in the video, it talked about panda bears and polar bears and brown bears. They all have differences about themselves, like their fur or their bodies, that makes it so that they can survive in their environment. Okay, so you'll answer all those questions, and then you can turn this assignment in, and you'll be researching a little bit more about your animal tomorrow as well.